Guys, good morning. Welcome back sa aming channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you some Portuguese words again. Bukid version. Look, nandito ako sa Bukid. Bukid version yarn. First word, guys. Tree. Puno or arbore. One, guys, is leaf or leaves kapag marami. So in Portuguese, folha or folhas. Yung third word natin, guys, ito river. In English, in Portuguese, rio. Rio. Okay, guys, next one is, nakikita nyo yan, blue sky. So yung next word is sky. In Portuguese, céu. Ayan, ibon. Bird in English. In Portuguese, pássaro. Next word, guys, is hat. This one. In Portuguese, chapéu.